welcome. In this video, we will learn about detecting patterns with unsupervised learning. So basically, we will discuss about pattern recognition, that too with the help of unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is nothing but we are not training the data here. I have already discussed about supervised learning and unsupervised learning. So in this section, we will see unsupervised learning, and most upcoming videos in this course will be on unsupervised learning. We are building machine learning models here. Unsupervised learning finds application in diverse fields of study, including market segmentation, stock markets, natural language processing, computer vision, and so on. Let's see the diagram of unsupervised learning model here. You can see here, before predictive model, we have machine learning algorithm. So basically we will use machine learning models. First, here is information. You can see training text, document images, etc. It goes through feature vector and then machine learning algorithm and then to predictive model and finally likelihood or cluster ID or better representation of the result. With that, there is one more input, that is from feature vector direct to predictive model. So with these two different inputs, we get unsupervised learning model output. We can derive this structure by clustering the data based on relationship among the variables in the data. With unsupervised learning, there is no feedback based on prediction result, that is, there is no teacher to correct you. It is not just about clustering. For example, associative memory is unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning problems are categorized into clustering and collaborative filtering problems, which we will discuss further in this course. So that's it on detecting patterns with unsupervised learning. Just a theory. We'll see all the practical on detecting patterns and all in this course. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video.